Alright, so here's a quick unboxing of my Sjcam, which I recently bought. I bought it from Flipkart, um, and I already unboxed it. So that's the cam right there. It's in the waterproof casing, as you can see, and I also put on this J mount right here. Let me get this into clear mode. Yeah, this is the J mount. This is the waterproof casing. So let us just quickly go through what's inside the box. Alright, so here goes. That's the box. So the cam sits here. It's empty. We get this stickering from Sjcam. Inside the box we get a number of mounts. So there are various mounts here. It comes kitted up, and a cleaning cloth, another mount, extra back cover for that waterproof case, in case you break this or fiddle around with this, I don't know, you get an extra one. So that's a plus point. What else do we have? Yeah, so there are two mounts with the sticky pad. I already mounted one on the helmet, right here. Let me show you. See, this is what I mounted on the helmet. Okay, so that's all. I think there are a few more straps and a sticky pad, and also what you get is a USB charging cable. Well, that's all in the box. So let me just put this back in and place this aside for a minute so we can take a look at the camera itself. So yes, so this is how you open up the waterproof casing. This is the Sjcam. Okay, so here is the charging port, micro SD slot right there. I don't know, it's hard to focus here or something. Yeah, so that's the charging port and the micro SD slot. The start button, also the mode button. There is a OK button on the top. On the right side you get these two buttons. One is for Wi-Fi connection to your cell phone via app, the Sjcam app, and this is to scroll up and down for the menus. So it also has a LCD screen on the back. This is in the video mode right now. What else do we have? Here is camera mode with 12 megapixel. This cam also has a CMOS sensor, and the videos. This is the settings. You can change the resolutions. So if you want to go into resolutions, you have to press OK. You go into resolutions, and then we have a few options here. You can scroll around using these buttons right here and pick a specific resolution you want and press OK. So that one's selected. This is how this settings work. So there are a bunch of settings here, like loop recording, FOV, WDR, motion detection. This cam can also be used for as a security cam. that's a plus. There is audio, volume, timestamp, TV out, TV mode, OSD, video labs. Most of our motovloggings are going to use video labs. Image size, quality, sharpness, white balance, color, ISO, whole lot of things here. There is a setting for underwater capture. There is also photo labs, burst mode, dash cam. So yeah, that's all for the cam. So this is the Sjcam. I just got this from Flipkart, and I will be putting up a link in the description. You can check that out. So this thing retails for around like 8 to 9,000 rupees here in India, and I got this as a gift, so I don't know the exact price. The bill was removed, so I am sure it will be retailing around 8 to 9,000, or maybe 10,000 approximately if you get an extra battery pack along with the cam. So yeah, that's all for the quick unboxing of my Sjcam. We'll be adding up a video of the video quality for the checking of video quality of this cam at the end of this video, or maybe I will be adding another video, separate video for the quality check. Well, that's all folks. Ride safe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.